Welcome to presentation number 4 on using your TI84 graphing calculator. In this presentation, we will discuss how to graph both linear and quadratic equations with your calculator. We'll also briefly look at graphing a cubic. To begin with, to graph, you need to enter an equation. To do that, you go up here where it says y equals. You click that, and then you type in your equation. All equations must be written out in the form of y equals. If you have an equation, for instance, 2x plus 3y equals 6, you would have to solve that equation for y. All equations must be in the form of y equals. Y equals anything, but it's got to be y equals. So I'm going to graph y equals 2x plus 3. To type in x, your variable, you use this button right here, 2x plus 3. And then to see the graph, you click right here on the top right where it says graph. There's my equation. I believe if you have the TI84 plus C Silver Edition, the line will be in color. Let's say I want to graph another equation. Press down, and I want to type in y equals 1/2 x. Y equals 1 divided by, oops, it's not divided by, back, divided by 2, and then I want to type in x. Now I could type in x just like I did before, or I could type in times x. Again, this is my variable, x, and y equals 1/2 x minus 3. And hit graph. There's my second equation, y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Whether I use the format with or without the multiplication symbol, it will work. I'm going to delete that times just to show you it's the same thing. So I go over, hit my delete button right here, graph. There's my first line, there's my second line. No difference at all. Now, I want to start over. I want to delete these. If I hit clear, that equation's gone. Go down, that equation's gone. If I want to type in a quadratic equation, again, I have to be in the form of y equals 2x squared. I hit the squared button right here, minus 1. Hit graph, and my equation looks like that. It's a parabola. All right. Again, I didn't use 2. I didn't use a multiplication symbol. If I use the multiplication symbol, second insert, times, and graph, I get the exact same equation. Does not matter. All right. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to clear this. And now I'm going to enter in a cubic equation. So y equals, I'm going to do a negative. Remember, to type in a negative, I have to hit this button here. Negative x raised to the third power plus 1. hit graph, and there's my graph. So, in summary, to graph, you need to use the y equals button to enter your equation. When you want to graph, to see the line or the graph, you click this button. This button here is my variable. If I want to clear an equation, I just hit clear. If I have more than one equation, I use this button to go to it, the up-down button. Now if I want to go back to my main screen, I quit. I hit the second button and then mode right here. It says quit, second, quit, and I'm back to my original screen. This ends presentation number 4. Have a great day.